From my own experience, I could discover that a few particular issues lead to the Rheem Tankless water heater system turning off randomly. Here are the quick fixes for you to those particular issues. Reason 1: loose or damaged wiring connection. To fix the loose or damaged wiring connections, repair or replace the bad wiring. Reason 2: system overload. To solve the system overload, minimize the hot water demands by turning off extra hot water fixtures. Reason 3: low water flow. To fix the low water flow, inspect the water flow sensor and water filter for any obstructions and clean them. Turn the water shutoff valve all the way. Reason 4: faulty gas supply, gas model. To repair the faulty gas supply, gas model, inspect the LP tank for fuel amount and refill it if needed. Check for gas pressure in the unit and adjust it. Remove the obstructions from the gas supply line. Reason 5: air blockage, gas model. To renovate the faulty gas supply, gas model, clean out the air filter screen and venting system. Make sure the vents are not too short. Reason 6: dirty burners or igniter, gas model. To fix dirty burners or igniter, gas model, clean out the burner, igniter, and flame rods. Reason 7: plugged up heat exchanger, gas model. To solve this problem, flush out your tankless water heater. Reason 8: bad circuit breaker, electric model. To fix the bad circuit breaker, electric model, replace the bad breaker. Reason 9: worn out heating elements, electric model. To overcome this problem, replace the non-functioning heating elements.